Hello everyone, in this episode we will learn the insert into command. Thanks to the insert into command, we can insert data into a table. At the end of the chapter, you will learn in detail how to use the insert into command. You can like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us. First, let's take a look at all the data of the customers table. 91 records listed. The record inserted with insert into will be added to the end of the table. I want to see the end of the table. In order to do this, we must sort by the customer ID column using the order by command. We learned in the previous lesson that we can sort by descending. We sorted the data as descending. Now let's learn how to use the insert into command. I add the columns in order. I don't need to add the customer ID column. It will be created automatically. I'm adding the values in order. The values entered with the number of columns must be the same. This is how we can see that the data has been added. We can see the data we added using the select command. We don't have to use all the columns when using the insert into command. We only have to add records to columns with primary keys. Because primary key columns are not given as null. Columns not specified with insert into are null. I'm just specifying 2 columns. I'm specifying values using the values value. The data has been added to the table. Let's take a look at the data we added using the select command. Note that columns not specified with insert into take a null value. The columns must be the same as the number of data specified in the values function. It got an error as you can see because it is not the same. Let's add data of the same value. Let's take a look at the last data we added using the select query again. I have to sort by descending to see the added column. The final values have been added to the table. In this section, we learned the insert into command in detail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.